Alright guys, what is up and welcome back to Anton X. So, on today's warm day, today's really hot and humid, but I have a free day today from work, so I decided to work on the bike, a little bit work on the car and stuff, but what we're going to do today is I got these stands for a really good price. I never had bike stands, I had to use my friend's bike stands, but finally got my own, and these are brand new stands, so we're going to go ahead and throw them together, see how good the quality is and stuff, and see how good they jack up the bike. And let's go ahead and put these together. And just to quickly show you guys, put the Miata back to stock. Back to normal, I mean, but check this out. Put the intake back on, the torque dampener, the crankcase ventilation filter, and then I put this like temp or O2, so I don't know what kind of sensor this is, but I mounted it into the intake because it was just like dangling around earlier. But other than that, guys, yeah. Also, we're gonna throw the tire. This is gonna be a separate video, but my homie's coming, and we're gonna manually put these tires on without a tire machine and see how that works. But yeah, right now I'm gonna just assemble these and then jack up the bike, drop the wheels, and we'll see how good these stands. Stands are made by, let's see, Alpha Moto. I have no idea what this brand is, but you guys could look them up. But I got them, I don't know, for a super cheap price. So I don't know how good they're gonna be, but let's see, which one should we do first. This one I think is the rear, and then that's the front. But honestly, look, the wheels have like rubberized wheels, so which is good. They're not just straight plastic, because those suck. I've used cheap stands and I've used like good Pitbull stands. Like, trust me, like, you want good stands, because it's like, if your bike falls or if the stand is sketchy, then it's not worth dropping your bike. But let's go ahead and throw these together. I'll do a little time lapse of me putting it together. But alright guys, the humidity out here, I don't know if you could tell, like, it's brutal. Like, it's 87 or 88 degrees right now, and in Cali, like, this would be feeling good. Like, this would be decent weather, but out here it feels like 120 with the humidity. But yeah, just wanted to show you real quick. I basically took out all the parts and laid them out before I put them together. I just want to show you like the build quality. This stuff, it's like pretty thick metal. That stuff is like nice, and like, this is not like thin piping. This is like thick. This is quality. So are these brackets. They're pretty good, pretty thick. Wheels are nice and smooth, but these parts nice and solid. Yeah, everything honestly is nice and solid. Like, if you don't want to spend like money on like Pitbull stands or expensive stands, if you're on a budget, like this stuff right here. Yeah, it's alphamoto.com. This stuff is called Alpha Moto. That's the brand. Alpha Moto is who makes it. But this is not sponsored or anything, but good quality for the price, guys. Good job. Alright, let's put this together and see how it jacks the bike up. Let's get it. But yeah, guys, so these things didn't come with instructions, and I was like, figured out how to put them together, but I found a diagram of how they work and where the bolts go. I just kind of went off this picture on Amazon, but this is how much they cost. Actually, I got these things for like, at an auction for like 30 bucks or something, or 40 bucks, but that's a steal, and they're brand new too. But alright, I'm just gonna give you a quick rundown. So basically, these sides slide into the main part, and then the 4 bolts go on the bottom right here, and then the bolts go through there, the silver hardware, and then these things just go in here, and then you screw the little knob in there, and then the little bolts right here, and then the little plastic washer things that come with them, you just kind of like you see right here. Put the plastic washer right there, screw the bolt in on this side, and drop the bolt into the plastic washer. It has the form of the pipe right there. Just screw it on the other side, and that's what holds the legs. And then, yeah, you just screw the wheels in, and then the stands are ready. So let's go ahead and finish this up. the stands pretty much done, and I think these can like rotate 360, so when the bike is on, I could like slide the bike around wherever I want. I mean, I'm gonna test that right now, but let me just finish right here. These last 2 bolts. Right here. And then, let's see here. And then we'll try it on the bike, guys. Let's see. Alright guys, these stands are all done now. Look at this. Beautiful. The quality is honestly like amazing. They're solid. Like I'm really happy with these stands. So this is the rear for the spools. This is the rear, and then as you see, these things go on the spools right here, and then this thing is for the front. So let's go ahead and see how this. Alright guys, so I assembled the stands. It's super hot over here, but alright, let's see if they actually work or if the bike's gonna collapse. So hopefully this actually works. No way. No way. So that looks like it's on. Just double check the rear. Nice. Now let's do the front. Let's get it. Boom, guys. The bike is all jacked up on the new stands. Perfect, that's good. And let's double check. I think that you're able, with these stands, you can just move the bike freely. Yes, you can. Oh, that's kind of sketchy. No, we're good. There's like cracks in my garage floor, so I can't like freely move it around, but let me just demonstrate. Boom, boom. Yeah, it moves around freely if this garage floor was smooth, but let me give you guys a little walk around. Check this out. You have a lot of clearance at the bottom. Look at this. These are pretty damn good stands. Let me flick the light on real quick so you can see a little better, but look at that. Boom! And you can move it around. If you see those cracks, the wheels are getting stuck in them, that's why it's not moving around. But guys, what is up? My GoPro literally overheated. It was like, heat warning, GoPro's gonna turn off, this and that, but I hope we got how I was jacking the bike up and stuff. But yeah, these stands are amazing. You can literally, I have these cracks right there, but you can like fully 360 move the bike around, as you can see, like boom, boom. Like it just moves around, like you can spin it around. It's super sick. But other than that, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take the wheels off right now. That's gonna be a next video, but hope you guys liked the video of my stands. I recommend these stands. Are super good quality for the price. And yeah, my friend's gonna come in a bit later tonight. We're gonna throw on these stands and we're gonna throw on these tires. I'm gonna make a video how to mount your tires without like a tire machine. He has like a manual tire thing, so never done that. We'll see how that works. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned. The tire video is going to be next. We're going to change the tire. Once I get a chain tool, we're going to put a new chain, new sprockets on, because as you can see, this chain is disgusting, and when you change the chain, you got to change the sprockets. But I got the stock gearing, nothing special, but I got Vortex sprockets and chain. Gold chain is going to look sick, but hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.